Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel EduKarthik. And in today's video, we are going to start a new chapter 2, which is polynomials. See, I have completed the chapter 1 with in total 7 videos. Sorry, I mean 6 videos because there are total 6 exercises. Okay, so this is exercise 2.1 and there are total of 5 questions in this exercise. So I've told by my previous chapter also that you should buy old book if it is new session of class 9th, because it is like double thick than the new one, and also it contains more knowledge than it. So let's start. So first question, it is saying that which of the following polynomials, which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable, and which is not? State the reason for your answer. So let's start with our first question. There are total 5 parts of it. 4x square minus 3x plus 7. First is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Now second one, y square plus root 2. Y square plus root 2. Third one, okay, 3 root t plus t root 2. 3 root t plus t root of 2. Fourth and fifth are y plus 2 by y. Fourth, y plus 2 by y. And fifth, x to the power 10 plus y cube plus t to the power 50. X to the power 10 plus y cube plus t to the power 50. Now, I will denote the polynomial by yes and which is not polynomial by no. This is going to be yes. Why yes? Because there is only a single variable getting used over here. Okay. This also yes. You will think that there is root constant over here, but this will also be yes. Why? Because if the root comes on the variable, or like it would have been root 2 of y, then it would be no. Here was 2. Now this one, it would be no. Why no? Because there is the t which has power using 1 upon. If you put, then root can be written as, square root can be written as power 1 by 2. And we all know that for the polynomials there is a rule that the power should not be in division. And this one, this is also what? No. Why no? Because but the single variable is getting used, but y has power minus 1, because 2 by y can be written as y to the power minus 1 upon 2. Okay, and if we see this, so a negative power is not allowed for the polynomial, and this, it would also be no, because this is a trinomial. Why? Because there are this is going to be a polynomial, but this would be in 3 variables. Why? Because there are 3 variables getting used over here. Okay, now the answer will be yes, yes, no, no, no. Erase. Now next one, question number 2. There are total 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay. So yes, my green marker, the options are given 2x square plus x, 2x square plus x, 2 minus x square plus x cube, 2 minus x square plus x cube, pi by 2 x square plus x, pi by 2 x square plus x, root 2x minus 1. Yes. So what do we have to do in this question? Basically, you have to tell the coefficient of x square. So over here, it will be 2 because 2 is before it. This would be like there is no coefficient. So we'll write 1 and there is negative symbol. So we will write minus 1. Now pi by 2 x square. Okay. Pi by 2 x square. So the coefficient will be pi by 2. Simple. Now last one. You can see that there is no x square in this whole equation. So basically we'll write 0 because we can write it as plus 0x square. Okay. So coefficient will be 0. Now, a next question. It is saying that give one example each of a binomial of degree 35 and a monomial of degree 100. Binomial of degree 35 and monomial of degree 100. So, let me tell you. We can write it as x to the power 35 and what? Yes, binomial of degree 35. Binomial. So we can write it as minus 1. Okay. Or you can write it as 70 x to the power 35 minus 10. Anything you can write, any number. And for monomial of degree 100, you will have to write z to the power 100 or any variable to the power 100. This will be our answer. You can multiply it by any number. Now fourth question. Degree of each of the polynomial. First one. Second, third, fourth. Second one. Third one. And fourth one. Now, our question. 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Seven x 4 minus y square. Five t minus root 7. Three. So, if we solve it, we have to tell the degree. Degree is the highest power in any of these. So highest power over here, what is it? This has power 1, this has 2, this has 3. So 3 will be our highest power. In the same way, if it would be y to the power 3 plus xy to the power 3. So this would be x to the power 1 and y to the power 3. And these two powers will be added. So degree will be 4. But there is no y variable over here. So only 3 will be our degree. In this one, 2 will be degree because 2 is the highest power. This one, 1 will be degree because there is no power, so it would always be 1. Now, there is like there is no variable over here, so just the power will be 0 if there is no variable. Now our last question. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. X square plus x square plus x minus x cube, three, y plus y square plus 4, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Now 1 plus x 3t, 1 plus x 3t, r square 7x cube, r square 7x cube. See, this would be our what? This would be quadratic. Quadratic. Why? Because the highest degree is 2. And if the highest degree is 2, then it is always quadratic. This one is cubic. Why? Because highest degree is 3. This one quadratic. Same, highest degree is 2. This one linear. This also linear. Why? Because these two have highest degree as 1. Now this one, this is quadratic. Quadratic because highest degree is 2. And at last question of our this video, it would be cubic. Cubic why? Because highest degree is 3. Friends, in this video we have done so many questions and our exercise 2.1 is totally finished. And in next video I'll continue with my next exercise. Till then, bye bye and see you all in the next video.